and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Nicole Chantell, and if you like beauty videos, 31 days of Halloween, and Friday vlogs, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of my makeup family. With all that being said, let's jump right into this video. So hello my loves, today I have another lip swatch video for you all, but today it's all about lip balms. You know what, all of July, even now going into August, I have been wearing natural looking makeup because it is so hot and muggy here, and at the same time I also don't want any products on my lips that are super heavy. So I did purchase this a while back, and I did it in my Sephora haul. I popped the link right here for you guys to see that video. And here we go. It is the Pat McGrath Labs, and this is the Mini Lip Fetish Lip Balm Trio. So like always, I'm going to go ahead and give you all the details about this product, swatch all three of them on my lips, and I will give you my thoughts at the end of this video. So of course, like always, I'm going to go on to Sephora's site and give you all the information on the Pat McGrath Labs, and this is the Mini Lip Fetish Lip Balm Trio. So when I seen this, I was like, okay, I really wanted to get it. I do have a few of her glosses, like the mini glosses, and I absolutely love them. And I will say this time and time again, I think that it's great that higher end brands are coming up with mini products that makes it more affordable for us consumers, because for a full size of her lip products, they're like in the $52 range. This whole lip mini trio here was only $35 Canadian. And to be quite honest, I prefer mini lip products than I do full size lip products because I really don't go through a full size lip product. So on Sephora's website, they are $35 Canadian, and it's a mini trio of divine balms that leaves lips sensually smooth with a dewy, luminous finish. And in here, you're getting a total of 3 lip balms at 0.042 ounces, which is 1.2 grams. And of course, this product is free of parabens. So like always, I'm going to go ahead and swatch these on my lips, and I will pop up the name of each of the lip balms.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces.
So the first one that I did use was the clear one here, which I absolutely love. A very, very nice, silky, gorgeous lip balm texture, but it's very satiny to the lips. Really love this. I think this is beautiful by itself, or you could go ahead and apply a matte lipstick and then just give a little bit of shine in the center. Apply this. I think that will be beautiful. Really, truly love this one. As for Flush 3, this one here is the second one that I put on. I'm really not feeling this tint. Like, I don't like this color. I normally don't typically go for like this kind of a brownish, reddish tone color of a lip balm or lipstick, but once again, it has the same texture, the same feel as the clear one. Very silky, glide on very smooth, really pigmented as well for a lip balm. But for the last one that I tried on, which is called Blow Up, and it's a sheer colored balm, lip balm, I absolutely love this one. This is the one I have on now, and it just glides on so super smooth, really super silky. I love the color of it because it's a beautiful pinky nudie tone. Love this one and the clear one as well. All in all, I think these are beautiful products. I think they're great minis. If you really want to dive in and try Pat McGrath Labs lip balms, I highly, highly recommend picking up the minis. You will not be disappointed in the quality of these. And my lips feel so soft. Like, I bought a lot of lip balms to try to help with my dry lips, especially in the wintertime, and I can never really find anything that really helps them out a whole lot. So I think this clear one here will definitely be my go-to for the wintertime because it's just so super soft and nourishing to the lips. All in all, I think it's great quality, great price, and I'm just really loving these. And let's hope that she will come out with more minis. Let me know in the comments down below, do you have these lip balms? Have you ever tried Pat McGrath Labs before? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you did, let me know what is your favorite product by Pat McGrath. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.